Alright, before we dive in, quick heads up. If you want an exclusive discount or a special offer, hit that link in the description below. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Okay, let's get into the ultimate newsletter showdown. Beehiiv versus Kit. 2 platforms enter, only one leaves. Well, actually, they both survive, but you get what I mean. First up, Beehiiv. Picture a newsletter platform built by ex-Morning Brew folks, so you know it's got street cred. Beehiiv is all about simplicity and power. Drag and drop editor, segmentation, automations, and a referral program that's smoother than my morning coffee. If you want to grow your audience fast, Beehiiv's built-in growth tools are a dream. Plus, you get advanced analytics, so you can nerd out on open rates and click-throughs all day. But here comes Kit, strutting onto the scene. Kit is the new kid on the block, but don't let that fool you. It's all about making newsletters fun and easy, with a clean interface that even your grandma could master. Kit's big flex? Super customizable templates and a focus on creators. If you like tinkering with your newsletters look, Kit's got you. And the AI-powered writing assistant? It's like having a tiny robot editor whispering in your ear. Now, let's talk money. Beehiiv has a free plan, but if you want the good stuff, custom domains, advanced features, you'll need to pay up. Kit also has a free tier, and its paid plans are pretty competitive, especially if you're just starting out. So, which one should you pick? If you're after rapid growth, powerful analytics, and a platform that feels like it's built for pros, Beehiiv is your jam. But if you want more creative control, a super friendly interface, and some AI magic, Kit might win your heart. Honestly, you can't really go wrong. Both are awesome. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Try them out for yourself and let me know which one you vibe with. And remember, if you want that special offer or discount, smash the link in the description below. Happy newslettering!